In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable guide button codes for controllers. So if you want to go ahead and either turn on or turn off these guide button codes for your controllers, it is pretty much simple on Steam. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on Steam here, and then from this, choose the settings option. From settings, look for the option called controller, and you can see it is here. And then go ahead and look for this option called enable guide button code for controllers. Currently, you can see it is turned on. If you want to go ahead and turn it off, just go ahead and toggle it off. However, if you want to make it or to leave it turned on, you can also enable it by toggling it on. So by doing that, you'll have enabled or disabled guide button code for your controllers. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.